So guys, welcome back into another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be painting a seagull. Now, I have done one in art at school. Ignore my face, it's a bit hideous. But I'm going to recreate it on a new canvas with an abstract background and maybe add some colour into the seagull. So if you do enjoy this video, you know what to do. And yeah, let's crack on. In the moment of editing this video, I forgot to record myself doing the outline of the seagull. So you're going to watch me do the background. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, boy! Let's do some red. Where's my red? Come on. Come out. Wipe these bits off. Let's do the base layer now. So with my palette, which is here, I'm going to grab my colours. I've got black, if it will squirt out, and white, wherever the white is. The white is here. Cool. Pop that on my palette as well. When I say palette, I mean an old canvas. That's my palette. So for this bit, I'm going to do dark grey. This one I'll do dark grey as well, but lighter than that one. So when I go to do the feathers on this one, it will pop out more. It's got that. Let's get a decent brush. Wing. So I do mix them. Got like that, like that, like that. Boom! Just like that. Cool. Need it, yeah, sort of like that. Sort of like a seagull wing. Nice. The wing is, yeah, sort of like that. You can make changes on the way. Lay that on. Make it nice and smooth. And that's our wing base layer. I'll do the edges. Oh, I'll just do the edges now. Just be easier. Got white and black. Mix them to make a light grey. Kind of need it lighter than that, so I'm going to get some more white. Put it on my canvas, aka my palette. And go around like that. Now at the moment it looks dreadful. Sometimes I have given up because I've got frustrated on the base layer, but I've learned now that it's just the first coat. You're going to add layers, so just trust your gut. Now right now it looks awful, but trust me, it will get there. If you guys see my peacock, you know the base layer or the first layer is always dreadful. So just trust. So it goes round. Because all this is going to be white. So I'm going to go over it with a small brush with white when it's dry. And it's going to make that feathery texture. And the layer underneath is going to show through. And you're going to see it. So go around. Like that. Now I don't know how much you're going to be able to see. Got my brush. Now I didn't record this bit, but I did go over with a darker grey. So I'm going to fix up this bit. I'm going to get a brush and kind of try and fix it. I don't know how I'm going to fix it and blend it in with the background, but I'm sure I will figure something out. Come on, try and fit that in with the background. So try and. So my beaker's sort of coming to life. Let's get this. Sort of. Looking quite. I think I'll make this bit a bit bigger because on here it's quite thick. So round. There we go, I think that's a bit better. Yeah, that's much better, I think. Got that bit. Let me just dry this real quick. Now I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I might have to use spray paint. My phone keeps running out of storage, so if it does go off, you know why. Let me dry that. So I've decided to put the head bigger and do the eye higher up, because on this one it's higher than the beak. So let's do that. So I've decided I'm going to use a posca for the eye. As you see, I need to go with this bit. I made that bit bigger. So I've got a yellow posca. Sort of like the same colour as what I want the eye to be. So that is pretty much dry. I'm going to go, I need to get the black off it. So, need to get rid of this orange bit. From where the eye was. Apologise about my phone going off. It's just running out of storage, so I have to keep deleting stuff. And it's not ideal when I just want to record a YouTube video. Dry that. So now, a posca up there. I'm gonna add some like lines and stuff down there. Don't even know. Just to give it a bit of oomph. It's absolutely pouring. Now I said I'm going to add some colour, so I'm going to do that. So, got my pink posca. I need to let the ink out. I shouldn't be doing this on wood, but just got some pink. Just give it a bit more. I don't know, like, it's just, yeah, it's what it is. Now, do I add gold leaf? Yeah, why not? I got some for Christmas, so might as well use some. So, don't need that no more. That's hideous. Right, now let's put my glue on. It's kind of going over, but, and a little bit there, and then just, yeah. Right, let's get my hairdryer and make this nice. So I'm going to get my gold leaf and just rub it on wherever the glue is. Is the glue tacky enough? Don't know. So guys, that is the end of the video. This is how the seagull turned out. I'll show you a better video after I finish this outro. So if you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button and consider subscribing for future videos like these or even different ones. See you in the next video.